In this video, I will guide you on how to screen mirror an iPad to a Hisense TV. Now I'm going to be taking you through two solutions, but first things first, you want to make sure that both your iPad and your Hisense TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So if you navigate to the control center of my iPad over here and then go over to Wi-Fi, you can see that I am currently connected to my home Wi-Fi network. It can be your hotspot if you want. You want to also make sure that your Hisense TV, regardless of the type or the brand, is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So go over to the settings of your Hisense TV and then find the network or internet settings. In my case, it is actually under connection, and then under network from over here, I should be able to connect my Hisense TV to Wi-Fi or hotspot. And now to the first method. If your Hisense TV is not a Hisense Android TV or a Hisense Google TV, but it is actually a Hisense Vidaa Smart TV like this one over here, or a Hisense Roku TV, then there is a high chance your TV already has AirPlay. So what you want to do is to locate the AirPlay feature of your Hisense TV. Most times you will be able to find it under the connection or connectivity settings of the TV. So if I go over to settings and then to connection over here, you can literally find AirPlay from over here. Once you find it, you want to open it up. Once the AirPlay feature opens up, you want to go over to AirPlay and HomeKit and just make sure that AirPlay is actually turned on. Now finally, you want to also make sure you turn on AirPlay on your iPad as well. So scroll down through the control center on your iPad and you're going to see these two boxes stacked up on each other. Go ahead and tap on it and you should be able to find the name of your Hisense TV. Mine is the living room TV, so I'll go ahead and select on it. Give it a couple of seconds and your iPad should be mirrored to your Hisense TV. As you can see, this works absolutely well. You might actually be required to enter a code that will be displayed on your Hisense TV into the iPad, and once you do that, your iPad will now be mirrored to your TV, and as you can see, this works absolutely well. Now for Hisense Androids and Google TVs like this one, you just have to make sure that both your iPad and your Hisense TV are also connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. And on your Hisense TV, you want to navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store of your Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV. From the search bar at the top of your Hisense TV, you want to go ahead and search for the app known as AirScreen. Now this app is going to serve as the AirPlay for the Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV. There are tons of applications that can do the same thing, but for this video we're just going to use the AirScreen app. Once the AirScreen app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here and then just set up the app. So click on continue, click on OK on your remote control, click on grant while using this app, confirm, and you just want to click on the cancel icon at the top over there. And finally, at this point on your iPad, you just want to scroll down through this control center, tap on the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon from over here, and you should be able to find the name of your Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV. Mine is over here. I'll go ahead and select it. Give it a couple of seconds and your iPad will be mirrored to your Hisense TV as well. And if this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.